Welcome to your complete guide for mastering SQL Play on Android. Whether you're a beginner or looking to sharpen your database skills, this app transforms your mobile device into a powerful command center. With SQL Play, you can run queries, manage your database, and document your work all from the palm of your hand. In this video, we'll walk you through the essential features, from the intuitive query editor to instant result feedback. By the end, you'll be ready to handle your data efficiently, anytime and anywhere. Let's dive in and start your journey to mobile database mastery. You open SQL Play, the first thing you'll notice is the prominent text box at the top of the screen. This is your main workspace where all the action happens. You might see a default example like select title from employees to help you get started. Simply type your SQL commands here to interact with your database. The editor is designed for clarity and ease of use, making it simple to write, edit, and review your queries. This setup ensures you can focus on your data without distractions, streamlining your workflow right from your Android device. So you've typed your SQL query, executing it is a breeze. In the bottom right corner, you'll find a distinct green play or send button. Think of this as your enter key, just tap it to run your command instantly. The app processes your request in real time so you get immediate feedback. Your results appear directly below the editor in a clean, structured format, making it easy to verify your queries and analyze data on the go. This instant feedback loop helps you learn and iterate quickly, ensuring your workflow remains smooth and productive. Beyond running queries, SQL Play helps you document your work effectively. Use the built-in text formatting options to make key terms bold or highlight important SQL keywords in your notes. This not only makes your documentation clearer, but also helps you quickly identify crucial parts of your queries. Good formatting is essential for maintaining organized notes, especially when working on complex projects or collaborating with others. By leveraging these features, you ensure your database management is both efficient and professional. SQL Play, managing your database on Android, has never been easier. From the intuitive query editor to instant command execution and robust formatting tools, every feature is designed to streamline your workflow. Now that you know how to run queries, view results, and document your work, you're ready to take full advantage of mobile database management. Continue exploring the app, experiment with different queries, and make the most of your newfound skills. Your journey to database mastery is just beginning.